Hello guys, I am Sonu Singh. Uh, I want to introduce KuCoin new feature. In this video, I want to show how to trade on QMax future. Firstly, if you have not account on QMax future, then firstly create account on KuCoin या QMax future. If you sign up on QCon, then it will go directly on QMax page. Firstly, QMax has provided trading like as BitMax. You can trade up to 100x leverage. Then I will show you how to trade on QMax future. Firstly, click on trade and then you saw two options in contract, light and pro. Then I will click on pro. It's go to directly page on QMax. And then I came on QMax page. And then I will teach you how to trade on this platform. Firstly, if you have not fund on QMax, then go to KuCoin. Click on trade. Spot trading. Then you saw your profile. Click on asset. Then use saw fund in main account. Then you transfer your fund on main account to contract account. Click confirm. And then go to on QMax feature and click on asset. Then you show fund will come in contract account. And then QMax has provided 4 option trading like as I will show 4 option. Click on trade. Then you show BTC perpetual in USDT pair and BTC perpetual in BTC. Then BTC quarterly 0626, BTC quarterly 0925. Then I show how to trade on QMax feature. Then I click BTC. Then I show how to make it how to trade. Firstly, I will click. If you want to limit price, then click and set your price. If you want to, then price will come, then your order will be executed. And then you want your price will be early executed, then click on market and put on quantity. I will put on quantity like as 10 contract. Then I take 20x leverage and verify trading password. Confirm. Then it's two option, buy long and sell short. Then I will go to sell short. Sell. Then you show my order executed, and then you show 10 lot and entry price 8714 and liquidation price 9124. Then if you want to close, then click on limit market. So KuCoin interface is very easy, and it's a good exchange, and it's provide a lot of platform. Then I will show on mobile interface. Then let's go on mobile interface. Its mobile interface is too easy. Then click on contract, then you show, then you click on BTC perfection and you show your order will be then order executed, it's shown. So I will suggest it's a very good exchange. Then you can use and try. You can earn a lot of money to discount this platform. I will suggest कि KuCoin app interface is so easy you can trade very easily, no any problem. So guys, thank you so much for viewing my video. Thank you so much.